Hi guys, this is Zuma Qureshi and I'm shooting for Global Spa in the beautiful city of Munich. The version of Huma you're meeting today is glam, glorious and absolutely in love with Munich. Well, that's a very long story, almost like a 4-hour discussion. But I think Gangs of Wasseypur completely changed my life. It's a beautiful film. It's given so many wonderful actors to the Indian film industry. And I'm so grateful that I had such an unusual debut. And if I had to do it again, I would have the same experience all over again. I wouldn't choose it any differently. It's always a script, actually. It's always a good script. If it's not on the page, I don't think it's really going to happen. And honestly, sometimes even if it's on the page, it does not happen. So the least you can do is at least make sure it's on the page. So yeah, read the script, make sure you like the people that you're working with, pick a good team, and then rest is up to God. Absolutely. I think Rani Bharti is one of the most significant roles I've played in my career. Very, very powerful, very, very strong. Maharani is such a strong IP. And I'm so grateful I get a chance to play someone so wholesome, so real, at the same time so inspirational. She's taught me more than I have taught her, actually. Well, I think absolutely. I think all actors must produce. It definitely makes you very humble. It makes you understand the challenges of what it means to put up a film together. And I think all actors should produce at least once in their lifetime, if not more. It'll make you a better actor for sure. We're living in such an interesting time, I think, where Indian talent is, being appreciated the world over. I do believe in the next 5 years, this is going to expand exponentially and we'll see a lot more cross-cultural collaborations happening. I'm just excited to be part of this movement, to be part of this change, to take Indian stories to the world and to, be part of some exciting global collaborations, and who knows what the future will hold. But like I said, very excited, very happy to be part of this change. Well, it taught me hospitality. For sure, hospitality is in my blood. We love hosting people, we love throwing parties, we love having people over, we love going over to people's homes. I think when you break bread with another family, you understand so much more about them, and we really, really enjoy that. And Salim's, my father's restaurant, the legacy has really sort of infused that into my blood, and I always say this with the utmost pride, a kebab seller's daughter. I've become kinder to myself and to critics. I honestly don't even pay attention to what they're saying. I think I know my truth, and my loved ones and family, they know my truth. So what the critics have to say is really not for me to worry about. For me to worry about are things that are in my control, like my work, my hard work, my the toil, the patience that I bring to the table. Only that these are the things that are in my hand. Many, but too many to sort of recount over here, but many, I can assure you of that. Sleeping, traveling to gorgeous places like this, isn't this magical? I think so much festive spirit in the air. So yeah, when I'm not shooting, not filming, I would love to travel the world and, escape everything. I'm just in a phase where I want to try everything. I say this bring me a part I've not done before or that you think I can't do, and let me prove you wrong. To be happy, to enjoy the hard work that I've done, to also enjoy the process of what it is to make movies. I absolutely love being on a film set, and I'm going to die on a movie set one day. What's next? Next is dinner. We've been filming all day today in cold Munich, wet Munich, absolutely starving. So as soon as this interview gets done, I'm going to go and grab myself a lovely, hearty meal, and I'm really looking forward to it. Oh, 3 things I love about Global Spa. Well, the most important is that I'm going to be on the next cover of Global Spa. I think it's wonderful. This should have happened a long time ago, but good things take time. And I'm so happy that it's happening here in the wonderful city of Munich. At a time like this in beautiful winter, which is my favorite season of the year. And yeah, we're waiting for some snow tomorrow. So there you go.